Hi devs and welcome to Code in Short. Today we are going to learn about React props and how to use them. See these babies in front of your screen? Aren't they really cute? But how do we call them? We haven't given them any names yet. So let's do that first. We'll call the first baby as John, the second as Tony, and the third as Chris. Think of these babies as React components, and the name we give them are props. Basically, props are non-changing attributes provided to the React components, which are stable throughout the component's lifecycle. So now let's start coding. So let us create a new file inside the source named babies.js. This will be our new component. Inside this component, we will write rfc, which is a shortcut that inside my code editor which will create a skeleton of the function for me. Inside this, we are going to render props.names. These props will be passed as a parameter from the function. From props can be passed from parents to children, which I'll show later. Let us import the new component inside our apps.js file. Next, we will create an array of names. The name of the array will be names, right? Inside the array, we will create John as a string, Chris as a string, and Tony as a string. So John, Tony, Chris, all three of them. Then inside the render function, we will erase this line and write and map inside the curly brackets names dot map function. We are just iterating through the names array, and inside the map function we will get a single name at a time. We will render our babies component here and pass the props by saying name is equal to name here. See, we have all the three names rendering. Let us inspect, and you can see all the three components here. Instead of passing constants or other variables, you can also pass functions which can be called inside the component. Congratulations, you have learned how to pass props from a parent component to a child component. Basically how to use props inside React. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe my channel, and if you want to learn Node.js, we also have a playlist for it right here. So if you liked the video, please do like, share and subscribe with other developers, and hit the bell icon as hard as possible. This will help us to reach more developers. Also, if you have any suggestions for us, please do provide it in the comment box. It will help us to create better videos for you. Thank you. Have a great day.